Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. Back behind me on the table we have a 49LB5550. We're going to be removing the boards from this unit, just kind of giving you a little tutorial on how to get those removed. If you have any questions or need to order any parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. First up is the main board. There are just a couple clips that we want to get removed. This guy right here we're going to pinch down on, which releases the latch. It comes right out of there. Same exact thing with this guy. This cable right here, we're gonna pinch down on the two sides of it, which release the two latches. Comes out real easy stuff here. This one's gonna be just a little bit more difficult, but it's the same premise. We wanna pinch down on the two buttons on the right and left side. This one usually takes just a little bit more elbow grease to get out. Easy nonetheless. Now we just have the screws and this should come away. And that is the main board. Next up is the T-con board. We are going to need to get this metal plate here removed. First, we're going to start with this LVDS cable. Just want to pinch down on the two sides. It comes out really easily. We're going to use a #1 fine tip Phillips head to get this out so we don't strip the screws. So after we get those out, this should just lift up and away. We do have two ribbon cables here. We're going to use our fingernail to pop those flaps up. Cables come right out, no problem. After that gets done, it will lift up and away. There is just a little bit of adhesive here. Not a problem at all. And that's the T-con board. With the power supply board, we just have a couple clips here and here that we need to get away. This is going to be very similar to the one on the main board. We want to pinch down on the right and left side. And we want to very gently walk that away from the power supply board. It comes out, no problem. This is going to be another one where there's a clip. We're going to depress the clip, which releases the latch. And then that just comes right away from the power board. Now the screws and the whole thing comes out. Okay, that's gonna do it for today. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you do subscribe, you'll receive 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.